Hello, hello. Good evening. Welcome. This is Ebony Cockrell, and today we'll be talking about the project that I am deeply passionate about, and it is maximizing employee development. This will be possible through adaptive learning software for employee training. So the project type is enhancement adding functionality to an existing report or application. This will be used to develop a new personalized recommendation system. The project, the goal of this project is to enhance employee training through the integration of a personalized recommendation system within the adaptive learning software. By analyzing user data, including search history, preferences, and behavioral patterns, we will be able to develop algorithms that can intelligently recommend relevant training content tailored to individual users. This system aims to improve engagement and learning outcomes by ensuring that employees receive personalized content that aligns with their specific needs and goals. Additionally, we will implement mechanisms to continuously collect user feedback and refine recommendations over time. This hopefully will foster a dynamic learning environment for faculty and staff. Okay, so next we'll talk about the project timeline for this. It is estimated that during phase one of research and planning, it could take anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. Just for time length purposes, I estimate that research and planning would take about 2 to 4 weeks. During the next phase, which is the design phase, and will be about a month two, which would be 6 to 8 weeks. In the design phase, we'll go over and complete developing wireframes and user interface designs, design and recommendation algorithms and data architecture. Hopefully, we'll review designs based on stakeholder feedback, and then finalize design documents and prepare for development. In phase three of development, which would be uh, between weeks 10 to 12, we will work on building the personalized recommendation system, on the back end development of the database and algorithms, on the front end of development user interface integration, then hopefully integrate the system with existing training content, and then conduct internal testing and debugging for the system. During the testing and feedback, which is phase four, we'll perform user acceptance testing with selected employees, and then we'll gather feedback from those employees and make necessary adjustments. Hopefully, then we'll finalize the testing and prepare for deployment of the system, and then we'll document the testing results and system functionalities. During the last phase, which is the deployment and training, weeks 18 through 20. Hopefully, then we'll be able to launch the personalized recommendation system, conduct training sessions for employees on using the new system that following week, and then in the last weeks 20, weeks 8, 19 through 20, we will then hopefully monitor usage and gather initial feedback for improvements on the project. So next, let's talk about project benefits. Okay. Some project benefits for this program would be automating repetitive or complex manual tasks, preventing unwanted actions or enforcing standards, providing better access to data. So, what does this mean? Hopefully, we can tailor content recommendations to ensure employees engage with relevant materials, improving retention and application of knowledge. We can increase engagement with our employees and personalized learning paths to foster greater interest and motivation, leading to higher participation rates in training programs. We can help with scalability, meaning the system can easily adapt to a growing workforce and evolving training needs. This will allow for a seamless integration of new content and user profiles. This continuous improvement through feedback mechanisms will enable ongoing refinement of recommendations and content, ensuring the training program evolves with employee needs and industry trends. With the data, we should also be able to optimize training resources and reduce time spent on ineffective programs. And with this, we can achieve significant cost efficiencies. And of course, this would also mean employee development, improved retention rates, and a stronger organizational culture. The groups who would be impacted with this program would be the HBU community, including faculty and administrative staff and beyond. Hopefully, with these improvements in the training system, we'll be able to implement this with other programs, organizations, and the community at large. So, what are some project alternatives? Some project alternatives can be learning management systems. These are often quick to implement with established support, but can lack options for customization. We can also include blended learning approach. This alternative combines online and in-person training, catering to diverse learning styles. The third alternative could be mentorship programs. This can be staff to staff and faculty to faculty. This will offer personalized support and guidance, enhancing individual development. The effectiveness of mentorship programs, however, does depend on mentor availability and mentor willingness and desire. It has to be a collective effort amongst everyone. In these mentorship programs, you could possibly pair employees, like I said, with faculty to faculty or staff to staff, with mentors for guidance and knowledge sharing. The pros of this could be personalized support, relationship building, and tailored development. However, the cons could depend, as I said, on mentor availability and may not cover all necessary skills or knowledge areas. As far as a blended learning approach, the pros to this would be to offer benefits of both online and in-person learning, accommodating different learning styles of the staff. The con of this would be that it requires careful coordination and may still lack personalization, unfortunately. When it comes to learning management systems, we can use existing platforms. The pros of this could be quick implementation because it's already available, and established support and a wide range of content options. However, as I said earlier, it could cause limited customization and personalization, so it may not fully meet specific organizational needs. So, of course, we would always want to talk about project costs. So on the low end, the software development can cost anywhere from 50,000 to 150,000. So this does depend on our availability and budget. Development costs and software development could cost between 50 to 150,000 on the low end. On the high end, it could cost $350,000. So, in efforts to reduce those costs, we could implement the LMS, those, as I said earlier, learning management systems, because it incorporates things that we already have, so that could reduce costs even further. With that being said, each alternative presents unique advantages and challenges. The choice will be depending on factors such as organizational goals, our budget, and employee preferences, as I've said, and the desired level of personalization and training. It also has to do with the willingness and the desire to want to develop those skills professionally and personally on a different level. This could significantly increase our retention. We want to keep our good employees here We want to create those good experiences for our employees and our students. And with that being said, because I'm on the clock, I see that my time is up. I really hope that I was able to discuss this program and to talk about the cost and to explain it in a way that you guys will understand, and hopefully we can think about implementing this in the future. Thank you and have a great day.